नमस्ते दोस्तों। आइए सुनते हैं एक कहानी। एक समय की बात है जब देखा, कहानी का नाम सुनते ही आप सभी के चेहरे गुलाब के फूलों की तरह खिल उठे हैं, है ना? अरे भाई, कहानियां होती ही ऐसी है। कहानियां हम सभी के मन को बहलाती है। कहानियां मन की बात कहलाती है। कहानियां बहुत कुछ दिखाती है। कहानियां बहुत कुछ सिखाती है। तो आइए आज के हमारे कथा सरिता के एपिसोड में सुनते हैं एक कहानी।
Namaste. My name is Prithvika Deshmukh. Today I will be telling you a story. The name of the story is The Journey of Punctuation Marks. This is exclamation mark, full stop, question mark, and comma. They are punctuation marks who need a job in this book, but they aren't sure where to go. Letters and words are zooming about trying to form sentences. Where do the punctuation marks fit in? What should they do? Well, I know where I belong, says full stop. I go at the end of a sentence. No, I go at the end of a sentence, says question mark. No way! I'm the one who goes at the end of a sentence, yells exclamation mark. Nobody can agree, and the letters and words are zooming around in confusion. What should we do? asks comma. Comma stands in the middle of the bickering punctuation marks and tries to separate them. There is room for all of us between these words and letters, says comma. Let me show you. You're right, comma, say the punctuation marks. We're tired of arguing. Please show us what to do. The comma shows the other punctuation marks how he does his job. Comma organizes all the words into a list and separates each word, making the list easier to read. Now that comma has showed what he can do you think question mark, exclamation mark, and full stop can figure out what they do? A full stop is at the end of every declarative sentence, like this one. The exclamation mark is used to express emotions such as happiness, anger, or excitement. Do you know what kind of sentences a question mark makes? Don't forget, the letters and words that come after full stop, question mark, and exclamation mark always start with a capital letter because it is the beginning of a new sentence. While the punctuation marks were talking, they remembered the words and letters zooming around in confusion. We have an important job, say the punctuation marks. Look how confused the words and letters are without us. Now the punctuation marks know what they need to do, and I am sure you too know what you need to do. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to enjoy more and more fun stories like this. Thank you and namaste.